after our paint's dry, we can go ahead with this acrylic and just rub it right off the hair. So I rub the nose out. Come and I rub the eyes off. Anywhere that I put paint. The ears. Where I said don't worry about it looking heavy, because once you rub the paint off the hair, it's not near as heavy looking as it was. Okay, now I get my flavor of the month satin clear. Go over the nose, go on the tear duct. Then I wait a couple seconds, and I kind of knock the shine off with my hand, because a deer nose isn't really glossy like you see a lot of times. They mostly look like when a little kid wipes his nose on his sleeve and you get that kind of shine. That's what they really look like. Sounds kind of gross, but that's the best way to describe it. Now I'm going to let this set up a little bit. Then I'm going to come in and clean the paint off our eyes, and then all we got to do is take it off the stand, hang it back on the wall, and call a guy to come get it before something else happens to this thing. So we'll see you next time on Testa's Tuesday Tips.